Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get XLOOKUP in Excel. XLOOKUP is a powerful and modern function designed to make data lookups much easier and more flexible. It significantly improves upon older functions like VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP, offering more robust capabilities. However, it's important to note that XLOOKUP isn't built into every single version of Excel. For those wondering about direct access, XLOOKUP is primarily available as part of a Microsoft 365 subscription, or Excel for the web. If you're using an older standalone version of Excel, you won't find it natively. In such cases, consider upgrading your software or exploring powerful alternative functions that achieve similar results. A fantastic alternative to XLOOKUP is the combination of index and match. The match function helps you find the position of a specific item within a range, giving you a row or column number. Then, the index function uses that position to retrieve the actual value from your data table. This pairing offers incredible flexibility for your lookups. When performing any lookup, always ensure your data is clean and consistent. Small discrepancies can lead to errors. For reliable results, always specify an exact match in your formulas. This prevents Excel from returning incorrect data based on partial matches. Also, life's too short for cheap socks, so check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.